beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of stopping by, thank you so much and God bless you. And if you're my returning subscriber, you are most welcome. So guys, in today's video I want to show you guys how you can effectively promise your stretch mark oil, or how you can make your stretch mark oil at home using ingredients which you can easily lay your hands on. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please support me, subscribe to this channel, like and share my video. Don't forget to turn your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel. Guys, please pardon this my spatula. I know I've been working a whole lot with it, that's why the face is like this. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video. I'm going to be using this oil as my base oil. Okay, this Vidgold kojic acid. I'm going to be using this oil as my base oil for these formulations. Okay guys, I'm adding this now. This is 15 ml. I'm going to be using 30 ml. Okay, I've added 15 ml. Okay, I'm going to be adding another one. This is 15 ml spoon. This is 1 tablespoon. This is the second one. That is 30 ml. Okay, this 30 ml of our Vidgold body glow and body polishing oil. You can see this was also good for green veins, sunburn, aging, and stretch mark, and also dry skin. This is very lovely, very lovely. If you get the original one of this oil, you love it. You can as well mix it in your cream. Okay, next ingredient we are going to be adding for this, our base. Now we have added our Vidgold as our base oil. So I'm going to be adding another one now. The next oil I'm going to use as my base is this oil, Sharon stretch mark oil. When getting this, endeavor to get the original one of Sharon, okay, for you to get that maximum results that you desire. Okay, it's very important to get the original ingredients when working with your ingredient. Okay, I'm going to be adding this to this formulation. This also acting as my base as well. I'm going to use this. I'm using two of this. Okay, for this stretch mark oil. I'm using two of my Sharon oil. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the second one as well to this mixture. So guys, I've added it, the two of my Sharon. I've added it here, so I need to incorporate this together. So the next I'm going to be adding is my I'm going to use this charm water. This anti-stretch mark firming water. I'm going to be adding it into this formulation. So guys, I'm using 15 ml, that is 1 tablespoon of our charm water. Our oil, we are making this as an water based oil, okay, stretch mark oil. So I've added in 15 ml to these formulations. Please take note of that. Okay, next I'm going to be adding in my almond oil to these formulations. This is a 10 ml of my almond oil. So guys, next I'm going to be adding my mustard seed oil. I have little, very little. I'm going to be adding the whole of this, just like 5 ml. 5 ml of my mustard seed oil. So next I'm going to be adding in my papaya oil. Okay, 5 ml as well of my papaya oil. 5 ml of my papaya oil. This I'm going to change this bowl. I'm going to contain this at all. So next I'm going to be adding my lavender repair essential oil. This is lavender repair oil. Okay, this lavender is very good. It's very good, guys. Look at it. It's very good. It's a repair oil. Okay, I'm going to be adding this to these formulations. Okay, I'm going to be adding 3 drops of this lavender essential oil. okay, to this mixture. Okay. Added in 3 drops. Okay. Next, I'm going to be adding my Tito oil, Tito serum. Okay. This oil is good. It's very lovely. It contains this shea butter. Okay. It's a very good oil. It's a shea butter. I don't want to be like put shea butter. That is why I'm adding this oil. You can as well use shea butter to substitute this. Okay. This is very good as well. I'm going to be adding it to this mixture. I'm going to be adding 5 ml to this mixture. 5 ml to this mixture. Okay, so it's good. So next, I'm going to be adding my my python fats, oil. I'm going to be adding it to this mixture. Okay, my python fat. This python fat. I'm going to be adding the oil to this mixture. For those of you who doesn't know how it looks like, this is how it looks like. Python fat. Okay, I'm going to be adding the oil to this mixture. If you get the original one of this oil, it's expensive, but it does the work. I'm adding this 10 ml, okay, of my python fat. This is very important for this formulation. Don't tell me if you replace and you will not replace this particular ingredient, please. If you even have cow ghee oil, cow ghee fats or oil, how will I put it? It's also like this python fat, can as well add it. This is so important for this formulation, so you wouldn't misplace this. Okay, so guys, next I'm going to be adding my rescue oil. This is rescue oil. This is very good. It's anti-stretch marks, scars, dry skin, aging skin, and blemishes. This oil is very good. I'm going to be adding it for this formulations. Okay, you can as well use bow oil to substitute this, but get the original one, please. This is 15 ml of my rescue oil. 15 ml. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding my Beneclate Keneko. That is Beneclate Keneko. Okay, this is very good. I'm going to be adding this to these formulations. Okay, I'm going to be adding 10 ml of my Beneclate. No, I'm going to be adding 15 ml. Sorry, not 10 ml. My 15 ml of my Beneclate Keneko, that is what I added in here. Okay, so next I'm going to be adding my aloe vera gel. I love using this a whole lot, especially when it comes to treating the skin. This is the base. This is so good. Okay, I'm going to be using this in this mixture. A tablespoon is okay for this formulation. I'm adding 1 tablespoon to this. Okay, of our aloe vera gel. 1 tablespoon of that to these formulations. So next I'm going to add this perfect leg to this mixture. This is very good. This is the visible work. It's good for stretch mark, varicose vein, spider vein, all the rest. Okay, redness and blue vein and spot and every other is very good. I'm going to be using this here. Okay, I'm going to be adding 15 ml. 15 ml of this to this formulation. Okay, so next I'm going to add this. I'm going to be using this stretch mark ampoules, herbal skin doctor body ampoules. This is stretch mark ampoules, very active. I'm going to be using this, okay? Like three of the ampoules, okay? This three is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using these three ampoules. But before that, I have to transfer. So I have to transfer this oil to a bigger bowl, okay? To enable me to turn and add other ingredients, okay? So guys, I transferred it to this bowl to enable me to, turn it properly. Okay, I'm going to be adding these three ampoules to this formulation. Okay, these are the ampoules. I'm going to pour the three to this formulation. So I've poured the whole three to this mixture. So next, I'm going to be adding my miracle powder. Okay, my miracle powder was blocked. I have to pour in hot water to dissolve it. I'm going to be adding it to this mixture now. You can see I added, it was blocked, so I poured the water inside. Okay, so that is good for these formulations. I'm going to be adding my crude kernel oil. Okay, I'm going to be adding my crude kernel oil to this mixture. This is so good. If I'm so much in love with this ingredient when it comes to taking off green vein and fading off stretch marks. So I'm going to be using this for this mixture. Okay, I'm going to be adding this crude kernel oil. This is 1 tablespoon. This is 1 tablespoon of our crude kernel oil. Okay, this oil we are making today is going to work for two things: one for green vein and also for stretch mark. Believe me, guys, try this recipe and come and tell me it didn't work for you. We've added our crude kernel oil. Then next we're going to be adding our vitamin E oil. Adding my vitamin E oil, 10 ml of our vitamin E oil. Okay. Next I'm going to be adding my poppling glycol. This is our penetrator. This is going to help all the actives in these formulations to work very, very well. Okay, so it's going to help all the ingredients to penetrate on the skin and work very, very perfect. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this to these formulations now. We're adding our 15 ml of our propylene glycol. So guys, next I'm going to be adding this serum. This vitamin C plus snail serum, firm bright skin serum. Okay, skin serum. This serum is so amazing. It works so well on stretch mark. Even on its own, you can apply it directly on the affected area. Okay, it's so good. You can see the actives in it. This serum is also amazing, guys. You can even apply it straight on the skin, on that your affected area of your stretch mark. So I'm going to be adding this to this formulation. I'm supposed to use less slime extract, but this will also do a whole lot of good work for my oil. So I'm going to be adding this. This is so good. If you see this, grab this oil. It's very lovely. Okay, it's so small. It's smallish, but it's expensive. But it's good. It works so well. Okay, so small. Just 20 ml bottle. I'm going to be adding the whole of this to the mixture. Adding the whole of this, okay, to the mixture. It's very, very good serum. Very, very good. This is just 20 ml bottle. Okay, I don't know if 20 ml. So I added the whole of it. Okay, for those who will say, please, oh, I should write out the name. Look at the name here. Okay, you can screenshot this. All right. I try to make my video very explain and understandable I try to explain very well. Look at it. You can screenshot this, okay, and buy this. All right. So I'm going to turn this our stretch mark oil now. I'll turn this. If you're able to lay your hand in all the ingredients, guys, believe me, you will make a very good stretch mark oil. Believe me, guys, you will make a very. This is night. It's late. I don't know how good this video is going to be, but I know that I showed you all the ingredients I use in making this video. This is the crude kernel core. I know it's going to change the face of this oil, but guys, it doesn't really matter. This oil is very effective. It's going to help in taking off your stretch mark. It's going to fade it seriously to the minimum. Okay, very active. If you can get all the ingredients, make this stretch mark oil, you can package this oil and sell it. And if you want me to drop a video on how you can make your stretch mark soap, leave a comment in the comment section and give this video a good thumbs up, and I will drop a video on how you can make a stretch mark oil that you can as well accompany together with this oil to make a very good combinations. Okay, if you have not subscribed to my channel to this end, please I beg you guys to support me. Subscribe, share my video, like my video. Also, don't forget to turn your post notification bell to be notified each time I drop any video in this channel. I'm going to give this a good stir and show you guys the outcome. Love you guys. Guys, this is our stretch mark oil is ready. When you take your bait, you try to massage it deeply into your skin at the affected area. Use it morning, afternoon and night, guys.